What's going on? A little bit of what we got going on today. Got this Land Rover right here. Came in for a coolant leak. Turned out we had a water pump way down in here somewhere that was leaking, and also these Land Rovers, they have a very weak outlet pipe that's plastic. Land Rover updated them to a metal pipe, and so now we got our porter running up to Land Rover in Dallas to grab that, and we're gonna get that slapped onto that car and get that thing out of here. We also have this nice little what is it, the GL450?
Yeah.
Shimo, what we got going on here?
Well, we also have a coolant leak here.
Another coolant leak?
With a pressure test, and we can see.
Oh shoot, you can see that real good right there. Nice.
Spring pretty much of what coolant.